How to use quick launch feature on your OnePlus Nord series to quickly access the function from lock screen. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to spatial features. Tap on spatial features. Here you can find the quick launch option. Access the frequently used function while unlocking your device. Tap on it. Now here you can see touch and hold the fingerprint sensor until icons appear without lifting your finger. Swipe right. Here you can see how you can access this function. First of all, toggle on quick launch. Now you can find the menu. Now tap on edit icon. Now you can see function and app option. Select the function or app you want to use. Here we select application. Now we add the Google Chrome, Geo Cinema, Google Lens, and we also add a YouTube. Now tap, you can add up to 5 applications. Now tap on the top right corner. Now to quickly access this application from the lock screen, just lock your phone and touch and hold the fingerprint sensor. Just lock your phone. Touch and hold the fingerprint sensor. And now you can see slide to an icon and release the launch. Here slide icon to the YouTube. Now you can quickly access the YouTube application. So quite useful feature to quickly access any function from the lock screen on a OnePlus series. Just long press the fingerprint until you can see the quick launch menu and move it to the application. That's it. If you like it, share it.